In this video, I'm going to show you how to set multiple take profits on FX replay. So the first thing you have to do here inside your session, you want to click on the place order button at the very top over here, and then you want to go ahead and select your side here. You want to select your order type, your position size, and then of course your entry price as well. And then you want to hit the take profit. You want to set your first take profit here, and then if you want to set multiple, just click on add partial, and you could do add partial again, and you can of course have more of these if you want to, up to 4 as you can see here. And then you can just go ahead and select the price here. So if I do, for example, 28 and then 38 over here, and then like 48 over here, and you can of course also set this in ticks. You could also set in percentages, however you want to do it. And if you don't like any of these, you can just delete one very easily, and then you can of course go ahead and just click on the save button or save and journal. And what that's going to do is it's going to set multiple take profits on your specific order. Now of course, if you have your order set up already and it's already like pending or already maybe in effect, you can go ahead and slide this up to see your orders. I'm going to create a quick buy order here. There we go. And then you can just go ahead and click on those 3 dots next to it, click on edit, and you can go to take profit, enable this, and then you can go ahead and basically just add partials in here as well. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.